The RideTech TruTurn system provides you with everything needed to transform your 70 to 81 F-body into a modern-day hot rod. RideTech's F-body TruTurn system was developed to give you improved front-end geometry and increased tire clearance. RideTech's control arms use self-lubricating Delrin bushings. By using the Delrin bushings, we eliminated the control arm bind associated with rubber bushings and the need for lubrication when you use poly. The lower control arms install in the factory subframe using the existing pickup points. The lower control arms have been engineered for maximum tire clearance, which is now only limited by the frame rail. Our vehicle is equipped with air suspension, so we're installing Shockwaves. If you choose to install Shockwaves with your TruTurn system, you will need to clearance the frame. This is a fairly simple modification. We provide detailed instructions that show you the amount of clearance needed. If you choose to install RideTech coilovers, the spring pocket clearance will not be necessary. The upper control arms also utilize self-lubricating Delrin bushings. The upper control arms come with a ball joint with an extended stud installed. This tall upper ball joint improves camber gain. The system includes a pair of RideTech tall spindles. The spindles were designed to lower the vehicle and increase the camber gain during suspension compression. The TruTurn system includes a new pitman arm, drag link, and idler arm. We've matched these components together to provide the best steering geometry possible. The tie rod assemblies include an inner and outer tie rod and a billet aluminum adjuster. We've increased the length of the outer tie rod studs to virtually eliminate bump steer. A few hours in the garage and some simple hand tools are all you're going to need to upgrade to the RideTech TruTurn system.